Happy Fraud Prevention Friday, everyone. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, 8 truck driver scams to avoid in 2023. I'm Julia Laurin, Chief Product Officer at Truckstop, and I'm here to empower you with knowledge to protect your business. Let's start by uncovering the 8 most common trucking scams in our industry. Number 1, double brokering. Scammers sign contracts with brokers and then rebroker the load to a legitimate carrier, leaving the original carrier unpaid. This scam is costing millions annually and is on the rise. Number 2, the driver in need scam. Scammers collect information from drivers and request cash advances, posing as drivers in distress. Number 3, beware of fake repair shops that demand payment for services never rendered. They often appear legitimate, but can leave you with an empty wallet. Number 4, scammers impersonate recruiters, promising CDL holders jobs, but requesting money upfront. Stay vigilant, especially when dealing with training schools. Number 5, fuel and load advance scams target brokers. Scammers book loads, ask for cash advances, and then disappear. Vigilance can prevent these scams. Number 6, watch out for authority impersonators posing as police or DOT inspectors, demanding payment for fake violations. Always verify before paying. Number 7, if a job offer seems too good to be true and asks for money up front, it's likely a scam. Be cautious and question suspicious offers. Number 8, finally, protect your identity and cargo. Use high security locks, park in well-lit areas, and keep your personal information confidential. So what to do if you discover fraud or theft? Here's a plan. Notify your bank and credit card companies immediately. File a report with the FTC. Involve law enforcement and the Better Business Bureau. Contact your insurance company. Inform factoring companies, load boards, and customers. Confirm all transaction details. Monitor your carrier profile and enhance online security. Technology can be your ally in fraud prevention. Here's how. Use digital security to track cargo in real time. Employ digital freight matching technology. And verify credentials of every partner. In conclusion, don't let scams ruin your business. Arm yourself with technology and knowledge to stay safe. RMIS Carrier Onboarding ensures you work with trusted carriers, reducing your risk of fraud. Knowledge is power, and with the right tools, you can protect your business and thrive in the freight industry. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and together we can keep your business safe and thriving.